Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Jason Yoder, and this is where I share with you my travel and my photography. And today we are enjoying a rare sunny day out here on Whidbey Island. So today we're going to be photographing my first lighthouse that I've had the opportunity to photograph here in the Pacific Northwest. And you can see behind me, we even got a little bit of wildlife today. So like I said, this is a rare sunny day, at least for the amount of time I've been here. Hasn't been a lot of sun. So anyhow, there is a small, quaint little lighthouse out here that we're going to try and see if we can capture some evening colors with. Don't have really any clouds in the sky right now that's going to really capture any color. So we'll have to see what happens here as the sun gets lower. There is some clouds on the horizon, so we may switch this up a little bit and do a little sunset photography, depending on what looks interesting a little bit later on. Admittedly, I'm not finding this lighthouse to be as interesting as what I had hoped, but while we're here, I'll also take advantage of the situation. So I'm getting some images of the lighthouse, but I'll be honest with you, I think the sunset is probably what's going to steal the show tonight. So there's some old naval artillery emplacements here. I think I'll sit up there. That'll give me an opportunity to see both the lighthouse and out over the water for sunset, in case that is where all the action's going to be tonight. Alright, so light's getting interesting. Found kind of like a private little area here to photograph in. So I'll leave this where I'm at right now on my locations newsletter on patreon.com/EWJ. I'm going to go ahead and set up and see what kind of light we can capture tonight. Alright, so beautiful, relaxing evening out here. Might get some dramatic light, so I can now see that we would probably never have gotten really good evening light on the lighthouse tonight because there's a mountain out there that the sun's going to set behind. So as the summer approaches, the sun is going to move farther to the north. Hopefully there's no more mountains back there. Maybe we'll come back a little bit later, maybe a month from now, and see if we can get a better angle of sunlight on the horizon and on the lighthouse. This is just an absolute struggle right now. I can't tell what's going to happen. It's just really hard to see if the sun is going to be able to shine up under these clouds. If it does, it's going to be amazing. But again, it's just so hard to tell right now. I'm also keeping an eye farther down here where there is some clouds still, just to see if there's any possibility of some color forming out there. Well, as you guys can tell, not a good sunset tonight, but when you do landscape photography, you gotta deal with the light that's given to you. But we did get some pictures of the lighthouse, we got some cloudscapes, some light over the ocean, did a little location scouting. So not a complete loss tonight, but I think I'm gonna head on back and make a nice hot bowl of soup, warm myself back up. But hey, I just want to say thank you to my wife for getting me the knit gloves. Let me tell you, sweetheart, these things are working wonderfully out here. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell so you get notified when I post new episodes, and check out my bonus content on patreon.com/EWJ. I will see you all in the next episode. I'm going to just relax a little bit, pack things up, and get some dinner.